Hello everyone, welcome back to Walk Away. Today we're making a classic Filipino favorite that's packed with sweet, tangy, and savory flavors, fish escabeche. This dish is perfect for family, meals, and special occasions because it's simple to make yet looks incredibly appetizing. The combination of crispy fried fish and colorful vegetables coated in a delicious sweet and sour sauce makes it a true crowd pleaser. To start, we season the fish with salt and pepper. Then we fry it until golden brown and crispy on the outside while keeping the inside tender and juicy. Once perfectly cooked, we set it aside while we prepare the flavorful sauce. In the same pan, we saute garlic, onions, and ginger until fragrant. The ginger adds a wonderful aroma that pairs beautifully with fish. Next, we add vinegar, water, and a little sugar to create the signature sweet and tangy flavor of escabeche. As the sauce begins to simmer, we add sliced carrots, bell peppers, and onions. These vegetables not only add color to the dish, but also provide a delicious crunch that complements the crispy fish. To thicken the sauce slightly, we let it simmer for a few minutes until all the flavors come together. The aroma at this stage is absolutely amazing and will surely make everyone excited for mealtime. Now it's time to pour the sweet and sour sauce over the crispy fried fish. Watch as the colorful vegetables and glossy sauce coat every part of the fish, creating a dish that's both beautiful and delicious. Fish escabeche is the perfect balance of flavors. The crispy fish, the sweet and tangy sauce, and the crunchy vegetables make every bite satisfying and memorable. It's a wonderful dish to serve with hot steamed rice and enjoy with family and friends. Thank you for joining me today here on Walk Away. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy, delicious, and budget-friendly recipes. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.